Hello students and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English with Prakash. Today I am back with part 2 of formal informal invitations and replies, and we will discuss main highlights of informal invitations. As such, we have discussed in part 1. Invitations may be classified into two broad categories: formal, informal. A formal invitation is sent on formal occasions and to people you may not always know personally, whereas an informal invitation is sent to people whom you know personally and who are closely related to you. Now, let us look at informal invitations in some details. An informal invitation is sent to people whom you know personally and who are closely related to you. Therefore, simple, direct, and informal language is used. In informal invitations, the tone and treatment is relaxed, informal, and friendly. In order to draft informal invitation, let's look at its features. Informal invitations follow the pattern of ordinary personal letters. These letters are written to relatives, friends, and acquaintances. These letters are first or second person presentations. Personal feelings and emotions find an expression. The writer's address is given in the usual place. The salutation is usually dear followed by name. The date of writing is given, but the year is generally omitted. The style and tone are relaxed and informal. Different tenses are used as the sense demands. The complimentary clause is yours sincerely. Before we proceed to some sample informal invitations, let's look at marking scheme of informal invitations. The breakup of 4 marks for the question on formal or informal invitation writing in this class 11th and 12th as per CBSE is as follows. Format, text 1 mark. Content, text 2 mark. Expression, text 1 mark. Expression includes grammatical accuracy and spellings. Total 4 marks. Length as per CBSE guidelines is limited to 50 words. Hence, do not exceed the word limit. So, here is a sample informal invitation. Rohit has got success in CBSE PMT. He wants to celebrate his admission to Shivaji Medical College, Nagpur by throwing a party to his friends. Write an informal invitation giving details of venue, time and date. Do not hurry. So, this is how this invitation reads. For letter form, follow format of informal letter. And let's see how it should be written. The matter should be left aligned in case of letter. So, we begin with sender's address 33 427 Priya Vihar, New Delhi. This is what sender's address. Skip a line. Then follows date 15 July. Okay, leave a line. Next comes dear Varun, salutation. Skip a line. This is followed by body of the letter. So here it goes. You will be glad to learn that I have secured 80th rank in the CBSE PMT competition. I have got admission in a prestigious institution, Shivaji College, Nagpur. I want to share a few happy moments of my life in the company of my old mates at a dinner in the hotel Kanishka and 9 p.m. on 23rd July. So here you can see Venue is mentioned, that is Hotel Kanishka. Time is also mentioned, that is 9 p.m. and date is also mentioned. Then skip a line. Please join the celebration and merrymaking. Leave a line. Then comes complimentary close. Yours sincerely, Rohit. One more thing I would like to remind you that when you are writing invitation in form of letter, everything should be, or your matter should be, left aligned, and after each point you please skip a line. Say for example, after sender's address, skip a line, then you write date, skip a line, then you mention salutation, skip a line, body of the letter, skip a line, okay, then complimentary clothes. Now let's look at another sample of an informal invitation. Write a letter to your friend inviting him on the housewarming ceremony of your newly constructed house. So, dear students, let us look at this invitation. 27 Urban Estate, Sector 15, Karnal. This is what sender's address. Skip a line. Then comes date 25th July. Leave a line. After this, salutation, dear Vinith. Leave a line. Then body of the letter, it goes like this. I invite you at the housewarming ceremony of our newly constructed house in Urban Estate. The Havan ceremony is at 10 a.m. It will be followed by lunch at 1 p.m. Kindly do join us on this auspicious day. I will introduce you to my parents and close relatives. Skip a line. Then complimentary close, yours sincerely, Arun Gulati. Dear students, we have discussed in this module what is an informal invitation, then its features and some sample invitations too. Now it's time to test your skill. Okay, dear students, please do practice at home, and this practice will help you to understand in a better way how to draft informal invitations. So, dear students, let's recap. An informal invitation is sent to people whom you know personally and who are closely related to you. Then first or second person presentation is there, and personal feelings and emotions find place there in the informal invitations. So that's all for today. I hope this video proves to be beneficial for you. Thank you. All the best, students. Keep watching.